thinking before writing, this is the main thing you do.
I'm pretty weak at this machine coding in React, I guess. So I want to consider that my inspiration. I joined mechanical engineering.
It's really very okay. It's very good if you have never implemented this kind of functionality. इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट होने का सबसे बड़ा कारण है आप सोचते नहीं हो, आप सीधा कोडिंग में लग जाते हो पर सोचते नहीं हो। और आज के जो हमारे कैंडिडेट हैं वो बिल्कुल उल्टा कर रहे हैं, वो पहले सोच रहे हैं फिर कोड कर रहे हैं। इस पूरी वीडियो को देखिएगा कैसे उन्होंने सोचा, कैसे उन्होंने मेरे को एंगेज किया, कैसे उन्होंने मेरे से बात करी। अगर आप ये सारी चीजों को फॉलो करोगे तो आपके चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएंगे कि आप इंटरव्यू को क्रैक कर सकते हो। We are going to do a mock interview today, and that will be for the React.js round. Before
Yes,
starting,
yes.
let's start with your quick intro.
Yeah, myself G. Praveen Kumar. I have completed my graduation in the year of 2020 from the University College of Engineering, which is in Tamil Nadu, Kanjipuram. Post the graduation, I got placed in an MNC, an Indian-based service-based MNC, and I'm working there for the past 3 years. And yeah, like I have learned the React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and yeah, I'm trying to
Perfect,
switch to
perfect.
a job in that domain.
Got it, got it. So when we were talking offline, you told me a very interesting story. Why did you become an engineer? So can you please tell us that?
Yeah, like basically, when I was studying 12th standard, like there was a movie called Jillunur Kadal, which is a Tamil movie starring actor Surya. So in that movie, he used to be a mechanical engineer. He will go to the office and he will drive the car and he will tell this is fault, that is fault, and he will design something. He will do very cool stuff. So based as considered as my inspiration, I joined mechanical engineering. But like after completing, when I joined as a mechanical engineer, a core company, people used to say, no, reality hits. They had the reality hits me. Like the people's used to what you call run machines 8 hours, 9 hours. Then after that only I realized, so this fairy tale is not anymore true. So I need to find some. I need to find something which keep me motivated, which me keep me inspired. So after that only I tried switching to IT. Then I joined HCL Technologies. Like I worked for a couple of months in my core company. So there I can't able to survive.
Got it, got it. So you are from mechanical background, but now you are in CS basically. You mean you are into coding now, right?
Yes, I'm working in 3 years in HCL Technologies.
Mhm. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so now let me give you the context of this interview. I'll be
Okay.
sharing you a code sandbox link. We will
Okay.
be having a story there. Okay, you will have to read that story and then you will have to come up with a solution for that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it's like a application based question. So in school we
Okay.
used to have application based questions, if you remember. So
Yes.
this is like that only. So let me share the link with you. I just did. Open it. Huh. Okay, you can close the Gmail tab. Oh, dev box not found. How come? Let me see. Oh, it is private. Now reload the page.
Okay.
It should be available now. Huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
So imagine you are working for a company called Blog Connect. It's like
Okay.
blogs only. Now they want you to implement a new feature. Okay. Now read this your task. They want
Okay.
users to express their thoughts and opinions on various blog posts. Now you have to implement a feature so that they can share their thoughts, their opinions on each of the
Okay.
blog.
Okay.
The main goal is to let the users share their opinions of the on the blog post. Also, user can interact with the other users' opinion. देखिए इसको है ना, ओ सॉरी, देखिए इसको है ना, देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ इसको देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा। आप जाइए, अभी अपना लैपटॉप उठाइए, अभी इसको कोड करिए कोड करके देखिए कि क्या आप इसको सोल्व कर पा रहे हो। अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो फिर इस वीडियो पे वापस आइए और देखिए इस सॉल्यूशन को। अगर कर पा रहे हो फिर भी इस वीडियो में वापस आइए और सॉल्यूशन को देखिए कैसे इसको आप ऑप्टिमाइज तरीके से कर सकते हो। इस पूरी वीडियो को देखना। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख के बताना कि आपने कि इसको सोल्व कर पाए हो या नहीं कर पाए हो। कर पाए हो तो कितने मिनट में कर पाए हो, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को वापस से। अभी भी यही हो आप? अभी तो बताया था मैंने कि जाके सोल्व करना है आपको क्वेश्चन, जाइए सोल्व करिए ना पहले, फिर आइएगा वापस यहाँ पे। ओके, हाँ ठीक है, मैं वापस आऊंगा। Getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah,
They
like
can
a
they can
comment
also
section.
they can also encourage their opinion. They can also discourage your opinion, and I think you are going into the right direction.
Okay. There should be the response generators for the discussion. Okay.
Uh, uh, you can read all the requirements, and then
Yeah.
you can
Let me
start
read from the start. Yeah.
thinking. Hmm.
Yeah, I saw the requirement like we need to implement a feature that allows users to share and interact with the others input.
Yeah.
Like I can see it's like more or like a command section where we can like dislike.
Yeah, exactly. It's a comment section.
Okay, so do I need to implement the command section?
Exactly.
Oh, I don't have any idea about that.
You have to implement comment section.
Okay.
Just think about it. You can open YouTube. You can look at it. How comment section works. That's it.
Okay. Here's another one. Ensure that only valid input is submitted.
Forget about this.
Okay.
First, just focus on building the comment section. User can comment, then user can like and dislike the comment. Then you can think of the reply section, how to render the replies.
Okay. Hmm.
Comment section is a text area.
Okay.
That's it.
So yeah, like a common forum comment section, like users can able to comment under their blocks, right?
That's very, see, what you have to do. You have to render a text area. You have to provide a submit button. Now on
Okay.
right after user inputs something on that comment, oh sorry, text area, you can click on submit. That will be submitted as a comment. That's it. This is
Okay.
pretty straightforward.
Okay.
If
Okay.
you forget
I'm
that
just
it's a
yeah, I'm just
uh,
confusing it with social media comments, like how we can implement the like, dislike. No.
not like that. This is very simple actually. You just have
Okay.
to build
Okay.
something based on some data, and you have to think about that data only.
Okay. Okay. Let me tell you like what I am thinking about this approach, and if I was going in a wrong direction, you can correct me. So what I was thinking, I can have a input box where like a user can type in. Then I will add an submit button to that next to that input box. So once this user submits, like their input box still be the same, and the submit button will be the same. In the down to that, I can render what the user submitted. Like after the comment section, again I need to have a button like reply.
Huh, yeah,
Then like if I click on the reply, again an input box should appear down to the comment section, like the comment added.
hmm,
Once like after entering the comment, that list should apply. That list should be appear below the comment what they have commented.
exactly, exactly. And you can reuse actually that above logic.
Okay, like what are the logic I'm writing on that the first input tab? I need to reuse
For
that.
the add input, it's simple, right? You have to write a comment, you have to click submit. That's it. Now you are not replying to any comment. But when you are replying to any comment, it's like this only, na? that you are adding a comment, but the
adding a
thing
comment.
is, it's just a reply. So maybe you can
But
have a parameter which tells if it's a reply or not, and that way you can render it.
okay, okay, okay. I think like in the while coding, we can get to know about this. I'm not having much idea about how to get the reply, but we'll check.
Uh,
How, like I'm
Forget
getting
about
an
the reply
interest.
for now. Forget about the
Okay,
reply for now. Let's focus on main
so I need to go to
adding
the.
first comment. This comment section is being asked by many companies for the front end role.
Okay. Like, yeah, I have prepared a lot about this JavaScript questions and the implementation bind and everything, but I'm pretty weak at this machine coding in React, I guess. So I want to.
Okay.
Okay. So here I'm having a div, which is outer div. Then I will have a h1, which says uh, user traction block. Then again I have an input. I think I need to have a text area, right?
Usually we use text area because we never know how
Yeah,
much line of code
yeah,
user will write.
yes. So I will have a div. Inside that, I will have a text area. Then I will have a button. I can't do like this. It type should be a submit, and so I'm planning to have a state for the text area. So we can have like as a controlled component like text input and set text input. I have done this, but once I need to submit, it needs to print the.
Handle on submit. Oh, okay. Ah.
Let me check here whether I'm making the changes or not. Yeah, I'm making the changes. So I think I'm not calling this function.
Nahi, it's all right.
But once I click on the submit, it should print this loading, right?
But you are passing on submit instead of on click.
Oh, oh God. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, okay. Mm, let me try to even. Uh, I don't want this even dot target dot value. I can. Okay. So here instead of console logging it, I'm thinking I can have a state for this command.
For all
And
the comments, right?
yes, for the all the main commands like I'm thinking I can have a state for that, like array of strings,
Sorry.
like array of strings.
Are you sure array of strings?
Uh, I
You
think I need
just
to
check the
have.
requirements again.
I think I need to have a array of objects.
Why?
Like I need to have the key for the command, and I need to have the like main command inside as a key value pair. Like I need to have a object where the key will be like a unique key for each command, and again I need to have the text, like the message of the particular command. mm,
You are just thinking about the comment. What about
yes.
other parameters? What about other requirements? You can like the comment, you can dislike the comment.
Okay. Implement a feature.
By the way, I didn't expected कि you would uh, assume it as a comment section so early. This was a big surprise for me.
Sorry, what you
I
didn't
didn't
expect?
ex I didn't expect it that you will just go and read it and instantly you will say that we have to build a comment section.
Okay.
I thought you would take some time thinking about it and all,
Yeah, like
but
when read
it was
about that.
instant.
Yeah, when I read about that, that like LinkedIn comment section only came into my mind. So I told that.
Nice,
But
nice.
uh, building building that will not be instant, I guess.
You are going good as of now. You will be
Okay,
able to build it.
I hope so. So wait a minute. Uh, what I'm facing issue here is like when I'll submit that, in which form I need to store it. So I'm thinking I can store it in a, array of objects. Like if you want to have the like, dislike, and
Yeah, exactly. You can store it as an array of object. Object can have likes, dislikes,
yes,
comment,
yes, yes. So
replies.
okay, like when I told why it's like array of object, you asked. So I think it's a wrong thing.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I will have an s- I will have an commands. I will store it as a commands data. Then set commands data. Then I will have a use state for that, where I will have the initial status null. And so what will be the structure of my command object? So basically uh, it should, let me, it should have a key. Then like it should have a actual, it should have a command like or message. It should have a message. Then like it should have I think is like or something like that. It's like or is dislike, like that. Then it should have a, again I think it should have a object of arrays of reply, I guess, like this.
Wow. Yeah, exactly. Because at the end, reply is also a comment.
Yes. Is I'm going in wrong right direction, or I'm
Yeah,
missing out on something?
are going right.
Okay. Then yeah, it should have a key which should be unique, and it should have a message, and user can able to like and dislike the command, and user can like it should have a array of objects again reply.
Usually in the real scenario, n number n number of user can like and dislike. So it's usually better to have a count of likes instead of saying is like or is dislike. For example,
Okay.
initial count will be 0 and then we can increase it as user click on it.
Okay. So basically, we need to show how many likes are there for the particular command, and we should have a button to increase that like and increase the dislike. Am I
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then okay, then I should be having count of like. Then I should be having count of dislike. Okay. Then is I'm missing out on something key. Then what is the message of the actual command? Then how many likes each command? How many dislike each command having? Then what are the replies it having? Okay, I think it would be fine. Then I can set like I need to
Okay, why are you using date?
like we need to provide a unique key to our individual command, right? So like it gives a string of the current time, so we can use it as a key, so that when we are clicking on the replay or like and something, we can pass the key and we can make the changes in the object.
Okay, but let's say if two users comment at the same time.
Yeah, that
It can happen, right?
yes, like it's microsecond also will be considered, but
But
okay.
still, if there are million of users, there is high possibility of
Yeah, I possibility of
commenting at the
comment
same time.
same time.
Yeah.
mm, then what I can give as a key, I
I
think.
think keys are usually handled by the backend. So for now, you can
Yeah,
write
yeah, like
as
whenever
one. That's it.
yeah, whenever we are storing it in a database, or like for a backend, we can have a unique key when like that has been
So
successfully stored.
that's a part of backend. Let's forget about it for now and focus on the overall functionality.
Okay, so then as of now I can use this as the key,
You
and
can.
okay, and message will be the text input, and I can have count of like is equal to 0, then count of dislike is equal to 0, replies sun t. So this is for adding a new command. When we are adding a new command, there should be 0 likes, and yeah, mm, okay, it should be key value pairs. Okay, So this is not required now. So when we are clicking on the handle submit, like we are setting this array of objects. I think this should be an array of objects, and this also should be an array of object. Then previous will be an array of objects.
What are you trying to do?
So like here I given us a array of like the empty array as the initial value. So whenever the user submits the command, I'm creating a new object.
That's okay. You can just pass it after this spread operator.
Yes, but I'm spreading this array, and I can directly pass it this after this.
Yeah, it will work.
Okay, okay, it's
However,
come.
it's not a good way to do that, but still, let's keep it like this for now.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Then let me try to console log it once this has been done. I'll check the command data. This is the new command. Okay, okay, that has been entered. And okay, count of life, count of dislike. Okay, then I need to clear this text area as well. Again, once this has been done, I can clear this text area so that when can, then I need to set the value as well and change value is equal to text input. This is the updated command. Okay. So what I have done as of now is like we are having an input text area section. User can type in the command, and once this command submitted, we are clearing this, and we are adding it to the like in the command data. We are adding it to the
That's
command
nice.
data, then we are clearing it, and
Hmm.
after that, down to that, I need to have another div. So which we need to conditionally render, I think, which we need to conditionally render once this command data length will be greater than 1. Command data dot length is greater than 0, I guess, 0, and we can render this div. So this div will have a uh, this div will have a h2 tag. I can put h2 tag, and these are the commands we can show like that, or we can have a paragraph tag as well. And once this command, then we need to map through the array of commands, and inside we'll have each command. I think we need to have unordered list. I can render it in a list of commands.
It's your choice.
Okay, let me render it in a list then. Unordered list. Commands dot map. Each command will be return a list. Each command can return a list, and that each command will have a command dot message. I think inside the list I will have a span. In the span I will have the command dot message. Then and I will have a button as well for like, and again I will have a button like for dislike. Then I need to have a button for reply as well. Reply. This key should be command dot id, I guess. Sorry, it should be key. Command dot key. Okay. There I'm
Forget about this key error. Okay.
yes, like it should be working now. Okay, let me add a new command. This is the new command. Okay. Okay, now so I was asking, do I need to add some styling to remove like a little bit of styling, or it's fine to go with what we are having?
Ha ha ha. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. So basically we rendered the command like if user updated commands, something like that, it will be shown in the UI. And we are having this like, dislike, and reply, but I
Hmm.
didn't add the functionalities. So I'm adding the functionalities for like and dislike now. On click, I think I need to point it to handle, 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 like same way. I need to, okay. So I'm having an on click for the like and a non-click for the handle dislike. So here what I'm planning to pass is the command. I can pass the command what we are liking and disliking, and so updated command is equal to command data dot map. Hmm, send updated like is equal to command dot count of like. So what I was planning here, like once the user click on the like or dislike, we are passing the particular command.
Okay.
We are passing the particular command to the handle like or handle dislike function. In that handle like function, I'm initiating the updated like updated, I can mention it, updated like count, and I'm like getting the counter like command dot count like, then I'm adding one to it.
Mm-hmm.
Then I am planning to update this entire command data using like keeping this updated command.
Okay.
Okay, is it fine or
It's fine.
okay? Okay. Mm, I'm passing the commands, so I will new commands. Okay, or else I will go with the previous. So previous dot key is equal to key. Mhm. Previous dot key is equal to command dot key. If it's command dot yes, then I need to return something. Else I need to return the previous. Mm,
Only 3 minutes are left. Actually, I forgot to tell you the time.
oh,
Usually you get 45 minutes to do this.
okay. Okay. Let
Let's
me
focus on like and dislike only. Okay. Let's
okay.
forget about the
Okay.
reply.
Okay. Okay. Then I will have this command. This command and count of like will be updated like count. Then yes, then updated comment. Then set comments data. Updated comment. Okay. Mm, Same way I need to implement for the handle dislike. -1. Okay. Handle dislike is fine.
हाँ ओके ठीक है
Is it fine, Ritik? Or
हाँ एक्चुअली आई वाज थिंकिंग कि वी विल कीप डिसलाइक एंड लाइक as separate, but it makes sense if a user is liking, either he can like or either he can dislike, right? So it makes sense. It's good, this functionality.
okay.
I think it should work now. Are you showing it that if
Yeah.
it
I forgot to show that. So inside the fan, like
do one
showing.
thing? See, if it is already liked, show the dislike button. If it is not liked, show the like button.
Okay. Okay. So I think I need to have another object, like another key value pair here. Like
For what?
is it liked or not?
नहीं अरे if the count of like is 0 it is not liked, if the count is 1 it is liked.
Yes, but I think user can able to like it or dislike it multiple times if this is the approach.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
you
then
are going that way. But let's forget about it. You can just assume that user can like or dislike.
okay, okay. So I need to conditionally render this button, like if command dot uh, count is like count is like I need to command of like this, like is equal to 0. I can able to I can let him to like it, right? So command dot count of dislike is equal to 0.
You have to use double and operator.
Yeah. I can. I think
You have to add one more braces.
I think here I need to add that.
Oh yeah.
This
That's
is not required. Okay,
now
so
it should work.
I hope so. It should work. So basically, and also I need to show here the list of commands, like this likes and dislikes. I need to show here, right?
It's up to you. You can show.
Like count of
Anyway,
like.
it's going to be one only at max and 0 minimum. So it
Yes,
doesn't matter actually.
just let me just show that one only the comment of
Okay.
likes.
Okay, so I guess we are done now. Let's see the functionality. ओके सो वैसे अगर मैं फिर से आ गया कोई नहीं सो हाँ अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है ना इस मॉक इंटरव्यू के लिए तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मैंने व्हाट्सएप चैनल का लिंक दिया है वहाँ पे मैं फॉर्म डालता रहता हूँ मतलब बेसिकली हमारे 1-on-1 मेंटरशिप हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं उसके भी मैं फॉर्म वहीं पे डालूंगा और जो हमारा मॉक इंटरव्यू चल रहा है उसके फॉर्म भी मैं वहीं पे डालता हूँ तो आज ही ज्वाइन करिए हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल
Yes,
इट्स वर्किंग वाह
yes.
ग्रेट dislike it now
Dislike.
like the second comment now like the second comment
Okay, the second command. Okay.
Huh. Now
Yeah, I
dislike it.
can.
Now like it. So the dislike is still visible when we have zero like. Why is it that? Okay, I got it. We didn't handle that. Okay,
Yeah, we
not
didn't
not
handle
an
that.
issue.
Like we
Not
conditionally
an issue.
handle this. Yeah.
Let's come to the verdict part, final part of this interview.
Yeah, sure, Ritik.
Before I come up with the conclusion, please let me know your opinion. How do you think? How would you rate your performance in this interview?
Uh, like I have clearly explained my the thought process and the approach what I'm carrying out. But I think I need more like improvement on the what you call the implementation part. So I need to implement yearly, and I need to implement all the functionalities which is given by you. I have not implemented all the functionalities which is given by you. I think I need to work on that part.
See, to be honest, whenever we take any interview, we expect candidate to solve that problem as a first timer. So basically, I gave you this problem. You have not solved it yet, right? You
Yes.
have not coded it yet. This was your first time, and you have done
Yes.
really well. So this is what we are looking for.
Okay.
So the other day I was taking an interview. I asked to factorial write a code to show the factorial of a number. He was like, okay, I will do it. He just started coding, and then he was like, I'm done. So this conveyed me that he already knew the code. The code was already in his brain, so I won't select him. Okay, so it's like this.
Okay.
So to be honest, it's really very okay. It's very good if you have never implemented this kind of functionality and you are implementing it for the first time in the interview. Then the chances of uh, your getting hired is obviously very higher.
Okay. Okay.
This I really liked. The approach you took, the communication skills were top notch, and the way you were thinking, I can bet on you कि you will be able to implement reply functionality also if you have given 30 more minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
if you had
Yeah.
30 more minutes. So anyway, I was not uh, about to ask you key implement reply functionality because I already knew that you will be able to complete it.
Okay.
Now,
That's
the verdict part, obviously, it's too good. I think you can crack interviews. It's always obviously the selected. You will be selected, and you can be selected. And in this mock interview, obviously, you are selected.
thanks, Ritik. Thanks.
We are always looking for someone who is able to think, who is able to convey his thoughts, who is able to ask questions, and you have all of them.
Okay. That's
Okay,
that's really
yeah, that was really good. Also, I gave you some hints if you remember, and you somehow was able to get them at the right pace. So basically, you were not like that. I'm not getting out or something. So that was also a plus point that
okay.
you are able to communicate in a team, and you will be able to work in a team in any day. If you face any problem, you will be able to solve it with the minimum help. With minimum help, that's also a plus point. So these are the plus
Okay.
points I am telling you. All of these are plus points. Now, you were very engaging, very plus point.
Okay.
You didn't bore me, so that was really good. You were very friendly, so you were not nervous at all. You were talking like a colleague to me, okay, like a friend. You were discussing
Okay.
the problem like a friend to me. You were not like I am someone who is like very senior or something. You were like very friendly. You were very friendly, so that's also a plus point. Good PS skills, problem solving skills that I have already told you. Thinking before writing, this is the main thing you do. You were thinking before writing, and just an hour before I was taking a real interview. In that
Okay.
I saw the candidate was writing before thinking, and that's why he was not able to code at all. But in your case, you were thinking before writing, and this makes the impact. This
Okay.
shows the impact. Okay, this is really very good. Next is you I can't understand my handwriting. I don't know why. Ah, what is that? Wrote something. I've written wrote email, something like that. Okay, forget about it. Ha. Only one negative point is the clean code. Code is not clean.
Okay.
The approaches are not optimized. So just go back to the code. Maybe we can discuss that also for
Yeah,
the
sure.
next 2 minutes.
Okay.
Go above. So this line number 28, I think this could have been done using push function only. You can have a new parameter which is equal to that
Okay.
array, and then you can just use push. Now, what will happen at the line number 28? It will iterate through all the elements,
And
it
yeah.
will push them, and then it will push the latest item also. So that's not a
Yes.
right way.
Okay.
Also, there was one more thing. The key we have already discussed. We can't, key will be handled by the backend, so we don't have to take care about it.
Okay.
Line number 25, the replies, that will be a object of comment section. That was really very good. I didn't thought of it. Ki you will come up with this
Mm.
saying that we will use the comment section object only in the replies also. That was really very good. Okay.
Okay, Ritik.
Time now, but you have to focus on your clean code. Okay,
Sure,
focus
I'll
on
do
that.
that. Yeah.
Start learning how to write clean code. You can watch my playlist also. I have made a playlist. You can go to YouTube and watch it. Okay,
Sure, I'll do
it's
that.
it's called front end best practices. You can watch that.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect then. It was really nice having you, and it was a very good interview, I must say.